It is of course also possible to get an Excel report with the overview function for a vibration measurement. So in this case I will then start vibration measurement here, having used the possibility here in the 145 and 150 to make a dedicated application for this called vibration. Already set that up, and then start a measurement. Some input. See the LT graph moves. Stop. Release the measurement. Go to NorConnect. Select my 145. Update. And drag and drop the measurement in case here over, and this in case it's a vibration measurement, so I want to have my logarithmic axis on. Yeah, it's a short measurement. So this reporting here, overview, results in an Excel file containing all the different functions I set up to measure, and you have the overall, the global file here, or sheet containing the two different functions I elected to include, and of course the frequency bands and the profile. Same for, in this case it was 1 second resolution. Everything inside one Excel file.